As a high-speed and convenient transportation tool, automobile ownership increases year by year. The demand for cleaning and maintenance is increasing accordingly. With the shortage of fresh water resources and much more serious pollution caused by various cleaning chemicals, the public realized environment protection is more and more important. Today, the traditional car washing failed to meet the public's requirements. That is why higher requirement for car washing business. What is your ideal car wash machine and how to wash a car you are expecting? Wash your car easier and faster. Cleaning car interior with best cleaning effect. Lower cost, no water cleaning. Door-to-door service available. More profitable car washing business. How to find such a high quality and performance car wash machine? KingKar company focus on manufacturing safe, clean, and pollution-free car care equipment in global market selling. GoClean Steamer, new technology, new car wash business. In 2018, KingKar launched a new car wash machine which developed for 4 years. GoClean Steamer. First, refuse any kind of chemical pollution or damage. GoClean Steamer using high-temperature steam killing car bacterial. Bring a safer, healthier, and more comfortable experience to the car owner. Second, one person with GoClean Steamer can clean a car within 7 minutes by spending only 2 liters water. Energy efficiency and environmental friendly and improve customer satisfaction. Third, GoClean has high pressure during 8 bar to 16 bar. The continuous steam will be provided with better cleaning effect. 4. Besides cleaning car body, it can also clean the engine, interior, air conditioner, chair, and so on. The steam separator makes the dryer steam to clean the car interior, and this part has obtained the invention patent of utility model. GoClean can comprehensive cleaning a car. GoClean series products commit to simple installation, easy and centralized operation, easy to maintenance. They are the first choice in car washing and maintenance industry. Each GoClean machine with international standard parts, professional export package and logistics services to ensure GoClean machines can be completed and delivered to customers on time. GoClean promise: 30 days online approval, 365 days replacement, lifetime technical support. GoClean has been sold to 18 countries and regions, serving 85,000 families and providing a safer and more comfortable vehicle environment for 300,000 people around the world. GoClean Steamer is the trend washing way. It is your first choice to do new business. GoClean recruits partners now. Welcome to join us.